Hola amigos y amigas, I am Leila, also known as Ms. Bohemia, and today is all about Soultanicals, namely the Hibiscus Hair Healer Healthy Scalp Butta Shampoo, and I am so excited to try this. I recently ordered a curl box that featured only Soultanicals, exclusive Soultanicals products, and you can view that unboxing video here. And I've been jumping in my subsequent videos trying out the products, and today is the shampoo edition, and I have been counting down to this moment. I actually wasn't planning to wash my hair today, and the only reason I'm doing it is because I've been dying to try this. I'm on a shampoo journey. I'm looking for the ideal shampoo. Shampoos are making my hair just feel completely tangled up and like hay, and I haven't had that problem before. I don't know why it's been happening. Last shampoo that I used was also from Soultanicals from the Sprout line, and I did great with it, but I have tried and fallen in love with the Hibiscus Hair Healer Deep Conditioner. I love that deep conditioner. That one is my favorite out of all the Soultanicals ones, so I'm really excited to try the matching shampoo. So let's go ahead and jump in because I can't wait anymore. It smells fruity. The way to my heart is to make something smell fruity. So my hair is properly wet. I mean, I can't sit here on my chair dripping, but I'm gonna apply it as best I can. This is the color. It smells so good. I can't describe the fruitiness, but it's just, so deliciously fruity. I think my hair is coated in it, and the glide and the slip, etc. was amazing, but because I have been so desperate to wash my hair, and I honestly, the only thing I hate about washing my hair for videos is that I don't get to do my usual routine of scalp massaging it in, and this is my high. First I go in with the Tangle Teaser, and it's so good. It really gets things down to my scalp. I mean, you really feel it go at it. It's not the softest brush, but I like it because it really feels like it's working it in. So this isn't really lathering, but knowing that I'm using this makes me feel better that I'm actually getting the product where it needs to go. And then I like to follow up with my Vanity Planet scalp massager, and this is a softer one, but for some reason if I only use one of the two, I don't feel complete. If I had to pick one, I would go with this, the Vanity Planet one, to really get the shampoo in there. Obviously it's a different experience if you're jumping into the shower and properly wetting your hair, so off camera I'm gonna make sure I have enough water in my hair, do this again if need be, to get the most proper wash out of this shampoo and come back to you guys with the most honest feedback and the most accurate feedback that I can give. I have no idea how many days it's been. It's been quite a while since I last washed my hair. I don't know, 6 to 8 days, and I've been needing a good wash. So this is really gonna be putting the shampoo to the test. My hair feels incredible. It feels super soft. Oh my god. I've been in like a rush all day, so it's like I'm taking a minute to connect to the feeling of this shampoo, and it feels amazing. I really feel like I got it down to the scalp really well. I scrubbed it in there as well as I could. So now I'm gonna rinse it out, and the verdict is this shampoo is amazing. Look, this is straight off taking my towel off. No tangles, none whatsoever. My scalp feels really clean. My hair is squeaky clean, but it's not stripped, and it's not like, hey, there is hope for me yet. This feels incredible. I have a lot of different porosities and textures in a way in my hair because I have my natural hair that I'm growing out, my natural because I'm no longer bleaching my hair, but I still have the ends of my hair with the bleached blonde on it, and so especially this portion of my hair has not been reacting very well to any shampoos, but I did really well with the Soultanical shampoos that I have tried so far. So this is a keeper. This is an absolute keeper. Forgot to wear my jewelry. Let's finish this video off in style. Lord, I kind of rushed into this, but what can I say? Your girl is bougie. The Hibiscus Hair Healer Healthy Scalp Butta Shampoo is an absolute yes. I am elated, and it's fruity. To know me is to know that I love the fruity scents. This is incredible. Incredible. I think I'm gonna be ordering the salon sizes. Oh my god. I am non-stop ordering Soultanicals, and I only have one head of hair. I can't. My trouble, that's my big problem. I love the brand so much that I can't stop ordering. Anyway, that's it for now. The shampoo was a yes. Stay tuned for obviously more Soultanicals videos, because aside from the curl box, I bought a bunch of other products. So there's gonna be a ton of Soultanicals coming up on my channel in the very near and long-term future. Thank you so much for tuning in. Of course, any Soultanicals love and tips and tricks that you might have, let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, please hit like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for more. And I'll see you in my next one. Ciao for now.